Hi students, all of you, good evening. So in this session, now we discuss about the TCL commands in SQL. TCL commands in SQL. So the meaning of TCL is transaction control languages. Transaction control language. Especially in this command, we have three types of queries. The first one is an commit, second one rollback, and the third one is an save point. Commit, rollback, and save point. Mainly we have three queries. So the syntax of commit is commit, rollback is rollback, save point syntax is save point, save point, save point name. Save point and save point name is an syntax. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, what is an commit query? Commit command. So when we perform an commit query, after performing some operations on the database table, it will permanently saved, it will permanently stores into the database. It means we are unable to go to the, or we are unable to perform a rollback. It means the changes what we are made, all are completely, all are completely, all are permanently stored into the database. So let's check it one by one. So open an SQL. First of all, connect as a user. My username is Krishna. This is my password. So I'm connected to the database. Let's see. I have previously created one database table. Select to see the database table. What is the query? Select star from my table name is student. So this is my database table already I have. So now I am performing one operation. So which operation I want to perform? I want to insert one record to already existing database table. What is the query of insert record? Insert into table name. My table name is student values. So I don't want to enter all the columns. So I want to enter in few columns. So let's give you a column name SID comma S name values 6 comma name, always give you a single column. So when we run this query, okay, one row created. One row created. So here I am performing an commit query. COMMIT, commit. When you run this commit query, commit completed. So what we are saying, what about commit query? Let's see. What are the changes we have? Select star from student. So the one more record added into the existing database table, we are given only two columns, SID and S name. So I am performing here in commit query. So the commit query means the changes are permanently saved. So now I am performing an rollback. So rollback means whenever we are performed commit up to onwards, what are the changes we are made, what are the changes we are done, those all are back to the rollback it. So for example, I am performed here rollback. So what are the things performed into the rollback? Let's see. So let's check it. Select star from student. So previously I have the same database table. Now is also same database table, because before performing an rollback, I am performed a commit query. Commit means the changes are permanently stored. So now let's insert in one more column. See, so I want to insert in one more column, 7. So create one more record, 8 also. So now after performing a commit, where I performed the commit query here, and ikkada varaku up to here, those all changes are saved permanently. After performing the commit query, I am inserted 2 records. 1, 2. So what are the records we have inserted? Let's check it. 6. So here we have 6, 7 and 8. 2 records. So now I am performing a rollback. So whenever I performed a rollback, after commit, what are the changes I made? Those all are a rollback. It means it will stop the database there only, database table. Let's check it. So before commit, after commit, 6 Krishna. So the 7 and 8 both are rollback. It means those both are okay. So this query, these both are commit and rollback queries. So now let's go with save point query. So what is the meaning of save point query? So here after commit query, I am performed in 10. For example, I performed 10 operations. Some are the insert or update or delete or anything. So when I perform a rollback, those all changes are 10 days that those all changes are rollback. But I don't want all the 88 time. So I want in particular records. So for this time, you can use an save point query. Save point query. So the syntax of save point query is save point, save point now. Save point name. So I am creating an save point S1. So before it, I perform an commit. So commit means up to here all changes are permanent. So now let's create an save point S1. My save point name is S1. After creating the save point, I am performing some operations. So what are the operations I want to perform here? I want to insert here 2 column names. Let's see, those are save point 1. One more 8 is also save point 1. So in save point 1, I am performed in 2 inserted 2 records. Let's check it. What are the 2 records insert? Select star from student. Let's see. So 2 columns are added. Save point 1, save point 2. Right? So now I am creating one more save point 2, S2. So in this save point, I want to perform an insert 2 more records. Let's see. SID marks 1. So SID lo I don't want S name, marks 1. So marks 1 lo మనం ఏ వాల్యూ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తామండి? I am inserting in 3 zeros. So 8 already we have. Let's go with 9. In save point 2, I want to insert one more record. Okay, let's check it. So what are the records inserted? In the save point one, I'm inserted two records, 7, 8, save point one, save point one. In save point two, I am inserted two records, 9, 10. These both are zeros. So now I want to create one more save point, 3. Save point 3. So in this save point 3 also, I want to perform, I insert an two more records, marks 3, 11. So I am giving here 100, 12, 100. So listen carefully. Here I am created 3 save points. 3 save points. What are the 3 save points? Let's see. So first one is n. First one is n here. So here I am performed a commit. It means up to 6 all the columns are permanented. In the save point 1, I am inserted the 2 records. The 2 records are 7 and 8. In the save point 2, I am inserted 2 more records. Those are 9 and 10. Like this. These both are. In the save point 3, I am inserted 2 more records, 11, 12. Where is the 11, 12? Okay. So now, if I perform completely rollback directly, it will directly go to the 6th. ఎక్కడి వరకు అయితే మనం కమిట్ పర్ఫార్మ్ చేసినా అక్కడి వరకు రోల్ బ్యాక్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే అండి. బట్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్. I want only few records. So now, let's see. Roll back to S3. నాకు ఓన్లీ S3 లో ఏదైతే S3 సేవ్ పాయింట్ లో ఎక్కడి వరకు అయితే అప్డేట్ చేంజెస్ చేసినా అక్కడ వరకే రోల్ బ్యాక్ అవ్వాలి. సో నౌ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ అండ్ రోల్ బ్యాక్ టు సేవ్ పాయింట్ S3. వెన్ యూ రన్ దిస్ క్వరీ, రోల్ బ్యాక్ కంప్లీట్. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు S3 లో మనం ఏమేమి పర్ఫార్మ్ చేసినాం? 11 and 12 ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసినాం. లెట్స్ చెక్ ఇట్. ఓన్లీ ద 11 and 12 రికార్డ్స్ ఆర్ రోల్ బ్యాక్డ్. 11 and 12 రికార్డ్స్ రిమూవ్ అయిపోయినాయి. మనం సేవ్ పాయింట్ 2 లో ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసిన 9, 10 ఉన్నాయి. సేవ్ పాయింట్ 1 లో స్టోర్ చేసిన 7, 8 కూడా ఉంది. ఓకే. సో నౌ లెట్స్ రోల్ బ్యాక్ ఇట్ సేవ్ పాయింట్ 2. ఇప్పుడు సేవ్ పాయింట్ 2 లో, సో సేవ్ పాయింట్ 2 లో మనం ఏం ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసినాం? ఓన్లీ 9, 10. సో ఇప్పుడు 9, 10 మాత్రమే రోల్ బ్యాక్ అవుతాయి. లెట్స్ చెక్ ఇట్. 7, 8 already stored. When you directly go to the rollback without save point, the changes after commit statement all are rollback. But when you create a save point, so in this particular save point, how many inserted or how many operations you are performed, only those operations are rollback. ఆ ఆపరేషన్స్ మాత్రమే మనం బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళిపోతాం. రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని కూడా యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు సేవ్ పాయింట్ 1 లో మనం క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఈ 2 థింగ్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. సో ఐ వాంట్ టు గో టు ద ఫైనల్లీ రోల్ బ్యాక్ S1. రోల్ బ్యాక్ కంప్లీటెడ్. నౌ లెట్స్ చెక్ ఇట్. సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ స్టూడెంట్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్. So now perform one more time rollback, the complete rollback. There is no modifications because we are performing a commit up to here. Let's check it. Any changes are made. So as usually the 6 up to 6, these are permanently stored. Okay? So this is a save point query. One more time. The rollback query means after performing a commit, what are the changes you are made? You perform a rollback. Those all changes are deleted. It means it will go to the previous position up to commit. But I don't want all. I want in particular records. Then go with the save point. So you can save the particular records into one save point name. So which one you want, you can go to roll back to those save point names. So these three are commit, rollback, and save point. All are transaction control language commands into the SQL. Okay, na? Are you understood? Any doubts? Okay, all of you, thank you.